Hi, today I'm for the Lenovo Tab P11 second generation, and I'll show you how to change or create home screen folders on this device. So just to do that, we should hold for a while the application and drag this app to just another one. So by this way, we just successfully created the new home screen folder. Just to give a name or rename the folder, we should tap once here on the name and enter the new one. For example, the apps. Tap to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully give a name to our folder. If we want to move this folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. Just to remove the application from the folder, hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. If you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. Or also, if you want to remove a couple of applications with the folder together, just hold the folder and drag it to remove. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.